I'm Ty with WTI, and this is the Oneida Raffia 11.5-inch stainless steel salad tongs. Now, I purchased these tongs because pretty much everything in my home is stainless steel, so I wanted some stainless steel salad tongs to keep the cohesive look within my kitchen. And I also purchased these because of the design. It has a scissor design with a fork on each side, on this side, and a spoon on the other side. So when I'm mixing my salads, I can just grab it and kind of twist and kind of stir and mix my salads this way. And I find that this is a really good salad tong for mixing up your salad really well. And that's my point of view.